This is a quick unboxing of the EnGenius Fit controller. There's a sticker here that you need to remove, also two here that also need to be removed. Next, you can slide out the box. With some difficulty. Controller itself has a LAN port and a PoE port to power it by. 12-volt DC, check. Micro SD LED reset button. A template to put in the screws. Screws and some QR codes to find the quick start and the product information. Let me see. Not sure what this is, but for the other parts, it all appears to be paper carton. Now maybe I shouldn't do it, but for size comparison, these was our Sky Key. So the Sky Key is about the same thickness, but the Fit controller is quite a bit longer and a little bit wider. And also, it's not magnetic. So that is the EnGenius Fit controller.